Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to grow your Instagram account organically. So first of all, you just need to open up the Instagram app. But before you can do anything, you need to note a few things. Growing an Instagram account organically is about building a genuine community and providing consistent value. It is a marathon, not a sprint, and requires patience and dedication. Here's a breakdown of effective strategies. 1. Optimize your profile. You need a clear and compelling bio. Tell visitors who you are and what you offer. Use relevant keywords to improve searchability. Include a clear call to action and a link to your website or other relevant pages. Professional profile picture. Use a high quality image that represents your brand or personality. You need a consistent username. Keep your username consistent across all social media platforms. You can't have multiple usernames. Nobody's going to know who you are. Number 2, you need to create a high quality content or create high quality content. You need visually appealing posts. Use high resolution photos and videos. Maintain a consistent visual aesthetic. Engaging captions. You need engaging captions. Write captions that tell a story, ask questions, and encourage interactions. You need varied content formats. Utilize photos, videos, reels, and stories to keep your audience engaged. You need to provide value. Share content that is informative, entertaining, or just inspiring. Number 3, engage with your audience. You need to respond to comments and DM. Actively engage with your followers. You need to interact with other accounts. Like and comment on posts from other accounts in your niche. Use Instagram stories. Utilize interactive features like polls, quizzes, and question stickers. Share behind the scene contents. Go live. Host live Q&A sessions or share real-time updates. Number 4, you need to utilize hashtags and explore features. You need to use relevant hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Mix popular and niche hashtags. Explore page. Aim to get your content featured on the Explore page by creating high quality engaging content. Reels. Instagram is pushing reels, so create engaging reel content. Instagram is pushing reels, so creating engaging reel content is very important. Use trending audios and participate in trends. Number 5, consistency and strategy. You need a consistent posting schedule. Maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Analyze your insights. Use Instagram insights to track your performance and identify what content resonates with your audience. Collaborate. Collaborate other accounts in your niche to reach a wider audience. Cross promotion. Promote your Instagram account on other social media platforms and your websites. This is why you can't have multiple usernames. Key principles: authenticity. Be genuine and authentic in your interactions. Patience. Organic growth takes time and consistent efforts. Adaptability. Stay up to date with Instagram's algorithm changes and adapt to your strategy accordingly. By focusing on these strategies, you can build a strong and engaging Instagram community organically.